just in the Sony Centre, and I've just spotted a water feature type thing, so I'm going to hang around for a few minutes, see if I can demonstrate the slow-mo camera. To ended up in the middle of some sort of protest that's going on. This is what mobile cameras are great for, so you can see a ton of people behind me, a ton of police, very peaceful at the moment, not really sure what they're protesting, but we'll follow along, see if anything interesting happens. So we've just found out what the march is about. It's lots of young people against a political party called the AFD, and that's what all this is about. We're going to leave them to it and go find something slightly less political to go look at. So I just spotted some elephants, and they're doing some pretty cool trunk action, so we're going to see about getting some slow-mo of them. OnePlus 6 has proven to be a brilliant upgrade on the 5 that I've had. Loving the new camera on this, I think the results are absolutely brilliant, and the slow motion on this as well is fantastic. It's much easier to use than the XZ2 Compact I used in Cuba, which I did a video of a while ago. I think the results are really stunning, and I'd say this is a brilliant phone for the price. Hope you enjoyed this little video. If you have, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.